This educational video is intended to help children build their vocabulary for the purpose of their general knowledge, as well as to improve their scores on state and other standardized exams. Please pause the video to read the purpose, scope, and warnings related to this video. This video has a free student engagement worksheet that can also be used as a quiz. It's available in many formats. Please see the link in the description to download this. In this video, we'll learn the definition of these words. We'll do that by focusing on the meaning of the word parts, which make up each word. The word part by means to. It's one of the most common word parts in the English language. The second word part in bicycle is cycle, which means wheel. We're all familiar with bicycles. They get their names from having two wheels. This is in contrast to vehicles we ride that have one wheel or three wheels. The word part uni means the number 1, which is why this is called a unicycle. The word part tri means the number 3, which is why this is called a tricycle. The word biceps is made of two word parts. The second part is sep, which means head. Doctors use the word head to refer to the top part of the arm muscle. It may look like there's just one top part, but if we look more closely, we see there are two heads in the upper arm muscle. The word bifocals is made of two word parts. The second part is focal, which means focus. Before bifocals were available, people used reading glasses to focus on near things, and driving glasses to focus on faraway things. With bifocals, they can look at near or far things with the same glasses. That's because bifocals have two separate lenses in one frame. Rarely people wear very large bifocals that have full-size lenses in the upper and lower portions. The word binocular is made of two word parts. The second part is ocular, which means eye. Binoculars are used by two eyes at the same time. This is in contrast to other devices that also magnify an image, such as a telescope in which we use just one eye at a time. The word bilingual is made of two word parts. The second part is lingua, which can mean language or tongue. Someone who is bilingual can communicate in two languages. For example, this interpreter is an expert in both spoken English and in sign language. The word bicameral is made of two word parts. The second part is camera, which means room. The most common use of bicameral is to refer to a lawmaking branch of government that has two units. In the U.S., the legislative branch is the lawmaking branch of government. It's made of two units. One is the House of Representatives and the other is the Senate. Each works in their own room, so we have a bicameral legislative system. Many other democratic governments also have a bicameral legislature, such as in the United Kingdom and in Canada. The word bisect is made of two word parts. The second part is sect, which means cut. In general, when we refer to bisecting something, we're talking about cutting it into two equal pieces. In geometry, we learn to bisect a line segment by first drawing two equal-sized circles, centered on the ends of the line segment. Second, we connect their points of contact. We've now made a line that's perpendicular to and bisects the line segment. The word binary means two. We can use it many ways. For example, this light switch operates in a binary fashion. Either it's on or it's off. In contrast, a dimmer switch doesn't operate in a binary fashion, since there are any options between off and full brightness. Computers use a binary number system, which is just a series of two numbers, the number 1 and the number 0. The word combine is made of two word parts. The first is the root com, which means together. That's why we use the word combine to describe bringing or joining two things together. Thanks for your attention.